All right. Good morning from Nicole Jagger, Broken and Blessed. This morning I am hiding from my fridge. I'm in my daughter's room. I'm hiding from my fridge because I have gained 2 pounds this week on keto. Yikes. In a diet where everybody is so excited to share that they've lost 17 pounds in the first 2 weeks. Gaining even a pound is terrifying. So I'm hiding from my fridge. The fact of the matter is, when you're on keto, you're probably going to lose 8 pounds in your first week. And a lot of that's going to be water weight. If you are not exceptionally bloated, there's a chance you're not going to lose 8 pounds in your first week. If you've already been eating a healthier lifestyle than I had, you're probably not going to lose 8 pounds in your first week. Maybe you're only going to lose 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, but guess what? That's weight that you didn't have, that you had the week before that you don't have this week. So that's exciting. And the fact of the matter is, after that initial 8 pounds, whatever, comes off, like, it's going to be slower. If you do the math, you're probably only going to lose a couple pounds a week, 3 or 4 tops. And science actually says that's healthy. Day to day, you're going to drink more water and retain more. You're going to not drink as much water and retain less. You're going to eat too much cheese and not go to the bathroom. And then you're going to go to the bathroom. You're going to end up having too much protein and gaining some weight, and then realizing I shouldn't have that much protein and losing it again. You're going to end up going over your carb limit by accident, like I did that day at Red Robin, and then you're going to get back on the bandwagon. So while it's scary to wake up and say, oh, wait a minute, yeah, I'm 157. Oh, wait, I was 155.8 2 days ago. Why am I 157? Is this not working? Should I just give up? Is this just another diet that's going to fail me? I really don't think it is. I really think you're doing the right thing, because in addition to the possibility of just having some extra water, having to go to the bathroom, scales going up and down, you also have the potential of you could actually be gaining muscle. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling more energetic and more inclined to be active now that I've lost 15 pounds. I gained 2 of it back. I had lost 17. Now I've only lost 15. I cannot complain about losing 15 pounds. And if you look at the pictures of day 1 to now, it's significant. The pictures from last week to this week, not as significant. But that's going to happen. But you know what? I was with the youth group on Wednesday, and they wanted to run and play a running game. And you know what I did? I ran after them. And you know what I didn't do? Feel like I was going to die. Like, I'm putting on clothes and I'm like, that feels good. That looks good. Like, you have non-weight victories. As you gain muscle that weighs more than fat, you might gain a little weight. Your weight's going to go up and down, but if you stick to the course, make good choices, critically analyze what you're eating and what you're doing, and if it's working for you, I think it's going to work out in the end. So, while hiding from my fridge in my daughter's dollhouse here could be a good solution, I think just facing the realities of what you're eating, how active you are, how much water you're drinking, and just continuing to strive for excellence, regardless of how you feel. I think that's the success factor there. So while I'm here and biding my time with my Barbies, I would encourage you, don't lose heart. If you're one of those people who have only lost a pound or 2 on your first week, good job. You lost a pound or 2. If you're one of those people with a medical condition, that means you can eat even less carbs than those without the medical condition. Don't lose heart. You're going to adjust. There are so many things that you can do to adjust your lifestyle to make this work for you. You can do it. Barbie thinks you can. So, I think she's dabbing. I think they've actually created Barbies that dab. There you are. So, have a wonderful Friday morning. Go into your weekend encouraged. Once I'm done here, I'm going to go back to doing my homework. So, You don't have to hide from your fridge. It's going to be okay. Have a good morning.